definitely a tease for us. I mean, talk about back to reality here. 20-degree drop, but of course the wind. Yes, it's incredibly chilly. It's not just us though. You can see much of the country in the 30s right now. So, you know, misery loves company, I guess. And it can be worse because on this day back in 1997, we were dealing with a blizzard. I know many of us remember this. 25.4 inches of heavy wet snowfall in Boston. 700,000 people without power due to the heavy and wet nature of the snow. It started in Maryland, went right up the coastline. We saw wind speed near 70 miles per hour with those gusts. Incredible storm, but in a very spring-like nature. We did warm up rather quickly afterward, which of course helped with the melting process. So no snow as you're heading out right now, but the wind chill is down the 20s still as you move north and west of 495. In Jaffe right now, it feels like it's about 25 degrees. Our wind chill in Boston, 37, feeling like it's in the low 40s for Hyannis. But look at that bright blue sky. I mean, it is gorgeous out there today. So it is a great day to head out as far as any rain or snow. Just make sure you have that winter jacket on. It may be spring, but still feeling like winter with that chill. See, the wind is going to be a factor today, and it's very strong. Sustained between 20 to 25 miles per hour right on through later this afternoon as well. So even though we hover around the mid 40s here, which is not too far off from average, it feels significantly colder with that wind chill factor. Tonight, clear skies, which will allow for a quick drop. You'll see with those lows tonight, it's going to actually get even colder than what we saw last night. Let's get through that high forecast today. Sunny skies, wind is strong in the west-northwest, so just about low 40s for areas north and west of 495. I expect a 46-degree high for Boston today, 47 as you head down toward Hyannis. The wind chill factor, even in the height of the afternoon, feeling like the low 30s. Most of us feeling like we're near freezing point for the mid-afternoon hours. That's our warmest point, mid-30s with those wind chills heading down toward the Cape. And here it is, tonight's forecast. Look how low we go. Low to mid-20s for areas from Bedford right up into Keene. Even Boston sitting at about 28 degrees tonight. Prepare for that chill heading out tomorrow morning yet again. The one thing working in our favor is the wind will start to finally die down. But just as the wind starts to calm down, we're watching another system. This down here to the south, this is going to be turning into a coastal storm as it rides right up the eastern seaboard heading into Wednesday and arrives for us early Wednesday morning. So by the time you wake up, rain is in place. And I say rain because it is a heavy rainfall for most of us. However, by the mid-morning commute, there is the chance with colder air moving in above us for some snow to actually mix in. Believe it or not, I'm not expecting much way of accumulation, of course, but don't be surprised by some snowflakes mixing in. The heavy nature of the rain really will be the worst along the Cape and the islands, where we're also going to be dealing with a good amount of wind. But notice that by noon, this is moving out of here. So it's a relatively quick mover, and in fact, we move through the afternoon. I do expect some sunshine to actually break through. The worst of the wind, southeastern Massachusetts moving down into the Cape and Islands. Wind gusts near 35 miles per hour possible, but this is a decent slug of rain that's moving in. Even though it's a quick mover, good ½ inch for areas along the Pike, but check out southeastern Massachusetts, Plymouth, just about an inch and a half moving down toward the Cape and the Islands. Beyond that, we do dry out heading into Thursday. Nice amount of sunshine in store for us too. Mid 50s to low 50s as we move into Friday. The temperatures do swing quite a bit, but overall I do expect a bit of a moderation as we head into next weekend. Very spring-like in New England here. Our temperatures are all over the place, Antoinette.